Well, baby, this is outside, okay? Yeah. Alright. Now this is the TV, which you know. This is where I hit myself in the head. This is the chair, which my dad sits in every day fixing this little thingy-majigger. And this, you cannot see. Or break. Come on. Let me show you the secret room of light. And you can leave the lights off. I have a flashlight. Now this. Let me see the flashlight. Alright. This is where I kill Zoe. Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna stop because it's not working because it's too dark.
Alright, now this is where I have my little.
It's too dark.
No, I don't.
It's too dark.
Come on. Alright then. Come on. This is the other TV, which I think you know, but this is Dad's room, his secret room of hygiene. Come on. Let's tour the other rooms. Don't be afraid, come on. Now this is where I throw this away. And where I eat my chips. Wow. A full block Zap Propel. Alright. This is a special room. Nobody sees. Nobody. Alright, come on. Now this is where we end the tour. Bye-bye.